Bullish Dogecoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 31 cents and 68 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Doge could reach 31 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is 5 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer concocted the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke in light of the then uncontrolled cryptographic money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly, regardless of being snide. Certain individuals view it as a reasonable monetary open door. A Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's symbol and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its web-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the head association. Kindly note that the expectations recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as venture counsel. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin ventures. Anyway, we should plunge into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Distributed, open-source digital currency Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an unexpected image coin. A delineation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first considered as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in ubiquity. At the point when the cryptographic money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On web-based trades for advanced monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Moreover, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, digital currencies like Bitcoin are deflationary. However, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into course as mining rewards is split at regular intervals. And until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin basic investigation. It's memorables basic that not at all like in that frame of mind of the securities exchange. Most digital currencies are projects as opposed to partnerships. Hence, you can assess regardless of whether a cryptographic money is worth the effort by leading a fitting principal investigation and taking into account all the data accessible about the venture. Key examination is worried about deciding a resource's characteristic worth. For instance, you can decide whether a cryptographic money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different inward and outer components. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it isn't covered makes the incentive increment. The upsides of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is currently no rush toward an affirmed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Therefore, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system development, in spite of the fact that its origin was set apart by specialists and content makers tipping each other. It has developed into a completely utilitarian cash that can be utilized for regular consumptions. To keep up with the usefulness of the biological system, more Dogecoin can undoubtedly be procured. Dogecoin use is anticipated to grow by over 5% every year, which will build the money's worth. Dogecoin current cost. Dogecoin is presently worth 6 cents USD. Doge has moved 1.98% as of now with an exchanging volume of $295,019,720. Dogecoin is presently positioned 8 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $9,786,380,843 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 17 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 13 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 15 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 24 cents and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 22 cents and a low of 20 cents in 2024. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Dogecoin effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2025. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 31 cents, with a base cost of 27 cents and a typical cost of 29 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 36 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 34 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Doge has a most extreme value worth of 38 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 43 cents. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 45 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 41 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 48 cents and a yearly cost close above 52 cents in 2020. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Dogecoin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 55 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 59 cents, averaging out at 57 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Doge cost in 2030 is projected to be 68 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 65 cents. And, as one of the first elective monetary standards, Dogecoin was created as a fast and prompt installment framework in light of the Litecoin blockchain design. The venture's objective was to construct serious areas of strength for a base for an engaging and easy-to-use Litecoin elective. When Dogecoin started, the possibility of digital currencies had previously acquired broad acknowledgement, with Bitcoin arriving at new highs on the lookout. Thus, the Dogecoin people group immediately shaped to advance and address Dogecoin, which was at first showcased as image coin. Doge, a notable and popular image, is portrayed in the Shiba Inu canine variety's prestigious logo for Dogecoin. In spite of all chances, Doge has ascended to the highest point of the digital currency market, generally in light of web-based entertainment publicity and its openness to many worldwide socioeconomics. What is the Dogecoin cost today? Today, Dogecoin is exchanging at 6 cents with a